Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to listen to Jin's album Echo. So I have reacted to the title song Don't Say You Love Me, and then we have 6 more. I'm going to try to get all 6 today. I'm gonna try. But the last time I reacted to his album last year, I used the official, I think the YouTube video with no lyric, just the audio. I think if I don't watch or get the lyrics, I will not get a full feeling. So this time, I'm going to react to or watch listen to lyric videos. And but I have been streaming the YouTube version without listening. So the way I do it is that I will connect my laptop or my phone to a headset. I'll just let it play, so I don't listen to it, but let it play. So it is, I will help Jim streaming those songs, but I haven't heard them. So today's gonna be the first time for me to listen to those songs. Don't know what they sound like, but I heard rumors that there are some country songs. I'm not sure. But then again, with the limited knowledge of me with music, even if you put country music in front of me, I might not recognize it anyway. So without further ado, let's go check it out. So the second track on the album is Nothing Without You, Nothing Without Your Love. So let's go check it out, shall we? Okay, here we have Jin. He looks so amazing, and I've seen the photos for the album. They look amazing. He is hot. Okay, let's go. Oh, listen. Can you hear some noise in the background?
존재하는 이유들조차 몰랐었던 나를 완성한 널 만나고 깨달았지. 공허했던 나의 세상에 낯선 네가 다가왔을 때 그제야 날 찾은 듯해. I'm nothing without your love.
Excuse me. So, is this song about army? Okay, he's nothing without army. So anyway, so far the lyrics of the song remind me of astronaut and moon smashed together. So about a stranger in his world, remind me of astronaut, and how he doesn't know the reason for his existence. Remind me of moon, that apparently, I don't know. It's just this song reminds me of astronaut and moon smashed together so far. Okay, and I especially, I think I've said it before that I do love his lower range. When he goes low, he sounds especially sexy. Okay, anyway, I'm going to
your love. I'm thinking about you, I'm thinking about me. 끝없는 이 긴 맘속에서 밝은 빛이 되어줘. I'm nothing without your love. You are my life, you are me. 빛나는 추억 속에서 영원토록 남아줘.
Woo. So we got the low range and we got the high. Oh, I am in heaven. I'm gonna listen to that part again.
Without your love, you are my life, you are me. 빛나는 추억 속에서 영원토록 남아줘.
Yes.
Nothing without your love.
why does this song? All of a sudden I get the ending song of a cute little anime. I don't know. In my mind, I'm just thinking about the image of the two kids running, or just running in the field, and they're laughing, wind blowing their hair. I don't know. Anime characters. I just got this image in my head. I think this song will be great as the ending song for an amazing anime.
햇살처럼 찬란히 날 이끌어 넌 나의 전부 넌 나의 이유 더 깊이 falling falling on and on and on 약속해 나에게 세상은 너 하나라 Nothing without your love I'm thinking about you I'm thinking about me 끝없는 이 긴 맘속에서
Okay, I am not. These are just regular headsets, right? So I might not be able to capture all the instruments in the background, but I think I heard strings, which make this song more grand. And what's the word? Atmosphere, whatever. You know what I'm talking about, right? It just spacey.
끝없는 이 긴 맘속에서 밝은 빛이 되어줘
And the drum.
Nothing without your love You are my life You are me 빛나는 추억 속에서 영원토록 남아줘 I'm nothing without your love 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 I'm nothing without your love
Oh, I love the ending. Before the ending, it was like, I'm nothing without your love, multiple times, like that, right? And with the drum or the bass, I don't know my instruments, boom, 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 those things, the beats. But the beats sounds not really forward. It's more like in the background, so it provides the beat in the background, and that I think string music instruments make it a little bit spacey, well, a lot spacey. Then you get to the climax and he was singing, and then all of a sudden boom, everything come to the quiet ending. It's great that he's shouting out that I'm nothing without you, assuming it's for army. I'm nothing without you, army. At the end, he's like quiet down and say, really, cementing that thought that I'm really nothing without your love. Oh, it was so good. It was so good. Okay, that was the second song, and then let's move down, and let's move to the third song is Loser. Feature Yena? I don't know her, but at the picture, she looks hot. She is different. She has a different vibe than the co-star in his music video for Don't Say You Love Me. That one is very pure princess-like. This one is like, I'm a bad girl. Deal with it type of thing. She is cute. Okay, let's see. So both, I don't know whether the picture matched the thing of the song or the type of song, but it gives me, just by looking at them, okay, gives me rock, metal, because she gives me that vibe. So we'll see how it goes.
You love me,
Oh.
you miss me,
Oh.
you tell me
Oh.
I'm beautiful, baby.
Why does it sound like the monk going cock 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 cock? I don't know what's that called, the little round thing they go cock 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 cock. Oh me, me tofu, cock cock cock. That it gave me that thing. I don't know.
You love me, you miss me, you tell me I'm beautiful, baby. You need me, you don't know, will let me go. Love me, you miss me, you tell me I'm beautiful,
You are.
baby. You want me,
Yes.
don't let me go.
No,
let me
never.
go. 습관처럼 매번 난 뱉어 끝내자는
Oh.
말. 후회할 텐데 넌 쉽게 나를 못 떠나가. Oh baby that's stupid love. 너의 기준 그게 바로 나야.
He is speaking the truth. I think I've said it many times before. I'm very glad I'm much older. I feel sorry. I feel for your younger kids out there, because once you've met BTS, your standard has increased. And everywhere you see, you just kind of feel like, there's no handsome man around me. Damn it. Because your standard has changed. So I really like the lyrics. It's cute that, like every time, like a habit, you say, let's finish it. No, it's like, one thing I have to say is that if you don't mean it, don't say it, because the more you say it, it will become reality. So if you're in a relationship, you're in a marriage, don't bring out let's break up or have a divorce easily, because whether you really mean it or not, once the words are out, it gets stuck in everyone's memory, and the next time that phrase will be brought out will be faster or easier until the relationship really ends. So unless you really mean it, don't put it out there. Don't keep saying it, because the more we repeat that, it will become reality. So that is an Asian mom's advice to all you young people out there. Okay, I think I have authority to say that, because my parents just celebrated their 60th wedding anniversary. For myself, I celebrated 36. So I think I have the authority to say that. Okay, let's move on. I think I'm singing a lot of nonsense today.
Don't let me go, let me go. 습관처럼 매번 난 뱉어 끝내자는 말.
I like this vibe.
후회할 텐데 넌 쉽게 나를 못 떠나.
Yes, you will regret it.
Oh baby that's stupid love.
Yes, you're the standard.
그게 바로 나야. It's so stupid love. 내 놓치기엔 너무 아까워.
Cannot find the second one. Oh, did you hit the last one? Loser! Oh, that was good. Indeed. Oh, here she comes. I cannot hear her. Oh, I like her voice. It looks. Oh, I like her voice. Her voice. I've never imagined actually Jin will be sounding so great with this kind of female duet. Is it duet? No. Duet. What am I talking about? Duet. So her voice give me, her voice, if you have watched my video before, you know that I do not generally like female K-pop girl group, because their voice are just so cute for me, I don't like that. But her voice, although a bit childish, but she's got attitude. I think I liked the attitude in her voice. If she sings a song just like the other K-pop, you love me, you beautiful, and then without the attitude, I might not like it, but this, I do like it. I like that. Oh, I like that. Oh, Jin, so just in the back. Was that Jin? Was that Jin or someone else?
Oh, baby, that's stupid.
Oh, that sounds so good. That sounds so good.
Oh, baby, that's stupid love. 이번 한 번만은 가려줄게.
Oh my god, I love this song.
서로 놓치기엔 너무 아까워. Like a loser. That's stupid love. 우리 후회할 짓 하지 말자.
I love it.
You tell me I'm beautiful. You need me, I don't wanna let you go.
Oh, I love the song. That was so cute. It sounds like they were arguing with each other, right? Like you're a loser, but it was.
Beautiful. You need me, I don't wanna let you go.
Oh, that was so good. I like the part when they were just like they're really arguing with each other.
Like a loser. That's stupid love. 우리 후회.
Yeah, that's not the EP you regret.
You miss me, you tell me I'm beautiful. You need me, I don't wanna let you go.
Oh, so she said, "I don't want to let you go," but the translation is you. So it makes a little difference because if you say that you don't want to let me go, because if you let me go, you're a loser. But he said, "I don't want to let you go," is because if I let you go, I become the loser, right? So it's interesting that in the song he keep talking about, you don't want to let you go because if you let me go, you're gonna be a loser, and then that's being repeated by him and by Ina. I think it's Yena, right? But deep down inside, they both know that they don't want each other to go, and that they will be a loser if they let the other person go. It is so cute. I love the song. I do. That was so cute. I never imagined this kind of music coming from Jin. But then again, Jin surprises all the freaking time. Actually, in fact, all BTS boys do. So I love to see the different colors of Jin. And there are more to go. I can't wait. Let's continue. Rope it. Oh, is that the Western one? Why does that remind me of Jun's laugh? Because I remember there's one clip that I think he and Jimmy was inside the hotel room and JK was outside, and then JK wants to come in, and I remember he was like, "Bye, it sounds like a horse. Normally his laugh is like a windshield wiper, but for that one it sounds like a horse. And this reminds me of that music. The music, it was just I think it's not a Run Jin, right? No, it was something else. I think it was just one of their videos that they're on tour. But anyway, I need to stop talking. Oh my gosh, is it country or is it rock? Oh, it's very country. Boom, 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 boom.
두 발로 뛰어넘어간 순간 그 위로 높게 춤췄어 난 목표는 몸이 맡아 쉽게 생각하는 거야 Alright 포기를 하는 건 사는 법 기본이야 선택을 하는 건 마음속 기본이다 내 안에 흔들리면 that's
time to process. So the first track, title track, is don't say that you love me. Give me the 80s vibe, like I think I mentioned Michael Learns to Rock. The second one gave me end of anime or a cute little movie soundtrack. The third one was the cute little argument. It was more rock, right? I don't know my music. It was more rock to me. Then this one's country. So we have 4 different genres so far in one album with 3 more to go. Okay. Oh my god! See, on the surface, this song does not really fit into the overall thing, but it does, because in life, also in relationship, you might always get to the point that you can make a decision, right? So you got to trust your feeling, trust your guts when you make the decision. And the most important thing is that once you make a decision, you should not regret. You have to move on and deal with it. So if you make the wrong decision, you're gonna, just take it in and make correction as you go. But you just do not make haste decisions. And once you do, you make a decision, you should not regret. I know it's easy said than done. Everybody regrets. I think Yoongi said that often in his song, in his lyrics, that humans are animal of regret. I think humans are the only animal has the feeling of regret. I think the others don't. They just move forward. I don't think dog ever regrets. Dog might behave that they feel sorry, but they're not regretting. They'll continue to do the shit that they do every single time. But I digress. Let's continue. 안 돼. I feel like going to change into my cowboy boots right now. That was cute. I don't have a lot to say about the song, other than I just want to see him riding a horse. Okay, next one is With the Clouds. Wait. Oh, look at the hair. I don't know what to expect. Oh, it's totally different feel.
곁에서 이 따스한 속삭임 날 잡아준 목소리 희미한 바람 속에
Oh, all of a sudden they become fast. Like double time. Dong, 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 dong.
날 잡아준 목소리 희미한 바람 속에 남겨진 흔적 위에 내가 남긴 것일까 너의 빗방울일까 잔잔한 하늘 속에 떠도는 우리 둘이 언젠간 밝은 날을 함께 꿈꾸기로 해요.
That is so cute, you know, comparing, you know, well, it's like talking about the raindrop is actually tears, right? So you move on. I think it's coming from the third one, that you make a decision, you move on, and then you're floating in the cloud. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's kind of like you're still together, and the cloud is trying to lift up your spirit and leave your tears behind, right? I don't know, that's what I get. Oh,
서툴게 손을 대면 사라질
wait. It changed on me. It totally changed on me. I wasn't ready.
나를 함께 꿈꾸기로 해 영원히 서툴게 손을 대면
And it's a key change, right?
사라지가 영원히 소멸되지 않는 약속에 나 너를 만들자 네 슬픔이 담긴 눈물이 피라면 기꺼이 적셔다 가져갈게 새하얀 내 맘이 굳게 물들지 않도록 시작의 그날처럼
Oh my goodness.
부드럽게 곁에서 속삭이는 소리 은은하고 따스하게 건네는 손길 설렘으로 가득 찬 내 숨결의 떨림 이 포근한 설렘은 점점 더 번져가 희미한 기억 속에 나를 감싸는 채 그리운 그 손길은 나를 물들여가네 스쳐간 바람 끝에 남겨진 흔적으로 조용히 날 울리며 작은 속삭임으로 날 이끄네 서툴게 손을
Under
대면
you.
사라질까 겁을 낸 나이가 영원히 소멸되지 않는 약속에 나 너를 만들자 네 슬픔이 담긴 눈물이 피라면 기꺼이 적셔다 가져갈게 새하얀 내 맘이 그때 물들지 않도록 시작의 그날처럼
So that was With the Clouds. I don't know what to make of it. It sounds like multiple different songs together because the beat keep changing, the melody changed, the key changed, and the tone of the sound and the tone of the song change as it progresses. So I tried to read the lyrics because my mind was trying to process the different change in the music. What I got, I don't know what I get, but what I got was that the song is about how he or whoever he's singing to, he and whoever he's singing to, they are there to support each other, like the cloud and the winds. The wind will support the cloud, and cloud will carry the tears away. I don't know. Tell me exactly. Tell me what this song is all about. I do enjoy the progression because it keeps me on my toes, right? And you keep changing the beat, the keys changing, the feel change, which is very interesting, but I don't know what I got from it. I do enjoy listening to it, so let me know what was the song about. Let's continue with the next one. Background. Oh, he looks so hot. Okay, background. Oh, it just started right away. Okay.
아직 난 거기 살아 너의
It's totally different now.
세상이 다 나였던
Sad.
계절에 나 홀로
so.
되는 너의 세상이 다 나였던 계절에 나 홀로 되는 말 돌아간다면 무슨 말을 할까 널 불러도 다시 메아리처럼 울려 날 헤쳐 기다림도 내겐 사랑이라고 했어 별 하나 없는 이 까만 밤 불 꺼진 무대 위로 늦은 찬상처럼 남아 아직 헤매고 있어 Maybe in another place another time 되돌릴 수 있다면 그땐 곁에 내가 있을까 널 기다리는 나 I'll be here in the background
Oh, this one is sad. I think it continued with the thing of the album, right? The relationship ended. He's the loser. He made the decision, whether it's right or wrong, and with the tears, everything. But in the end, he still want to be with the other person. So he's waiting in the background. That's what it says, right? And especially like the way that they use the stage. This dark night without a single star on the stage with the lights off. Feel like he is hiding in the dark while the other person is on the stage with the spotlight. So to him, the other person is the star, even though he's without a single star, but he is hiding in the dark because he doesn't have a spotlight on him. So in his world, there's no star, but the other person, the person has a stage. And this I don't know how to explain this. It's just like you are there, you look at the other person, you're hiding in the dark, and you're waiting. And the other phrase that he said, waiting to him, waiting is love. Oh my god, no, waiting is not love. Okay, Jin, snap all of it. Waiting is not love. Okay. So, but so far I get is that he loved this person so much that he's willing to wait for him or her to turn around. And just hiding in the background. His voice. I especially like the way he say the word meow. I think it's if meow. He sounds so sad. He's crying out for help.
다른 색깔로 그린 서로 물든 채 뒤섞여 가던 꿈 점점 잊혀진다는 게
It's low register.
때론 미칠 것 같지 But I still choose you 내게 전부 과거가 돼버린 내 흔적 다 해줘 기다림도 사랑이라 꽤 할만해져
No, it's not worth it.
별 하나 없는 이 까만 밤 불 꺼진 무대 위로 늦은 찬상처럼 남아 아직 헤매고 있어 Maybe in another place another time 되돌릴 수 있다면 그땐 곁에 내가 있을까 널 기다리는 날 I'll be here in the back 불 꺼진 무대 위로
Oh no, I want to listen to that. I want to listen.
이야기가 끝난 밤 불 꺼진 무대 위로
So good.
늦은 찬상처럼 남아 또 널 헤매고 있어 Maybe in another place another time 되돌릴 수 있다면 그땐 곁에 내가 있을까 널 기다리는 날 I'll be here in the background
Oh, that was so good. you can hear the sadness, the sorrow in his voice. You know, Jin is a very emotive singer. He can convey his emotion so well that when you listen to his song, you can feel everything about what he's trying to convey. This one is like he's lonely. You can sense the loneliness and the sorrow and the longing in his voice. That while he's waiting in the dark, waiting for that person to turn around and look at him. Damn it. No, waiting is not worth it. Not you. Okay. But waiting for you is worth it. Okay. The last one, to me today. Hot babe. Hot babe Jin. Okay. Let's go. Oh, that's the beginning. Is it gonna be a rock? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bing, bing, bong, bong, bing. Okay. I'm going crazy today.
햇살 비춘 아침 그 틀린 어제의 날 오늘의 하루살이 One day I could fly
Oh. Wait. Sorry, sounds so good.
햇살 비춘
Sunny morning.
아침
Okay.
그 틀린 어제의 날 오늘의 하루살이 One day I could fly 쓸데없는 생각 두려워하지는 마 난 내일의 나에게 맡겨놓고 가자 걱정할 데 없네 지금을
Yes, living.
살아가 어깨 펴고 날아올라 지금 이 순간 내 지금을 살아가 어깨 펴고 날아올라 지금 이 순간 더 낮아 하늘 저 위로 나를 믿고
This portion is called the chorus. I don't know what it's called. Gives me Japanese rock, pop rock vibe. I don't know. Tell me. Am I crazy? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. If I like it, you better like.
더 낮아 하늘 저 위로 나를 믿고 I fly 맘이 끄는 곳에 I fly 나를 던져 단 한 번뿐인 이 순간 내 마음을 열어 오늘은 날 날개를 펴 Now I fly to where my heart beats 별빛 아래
Oh,
빛을
okay.
비춰 맘 깊이 불꽃을 피워 What a life, what a life
Oh, I love him.
가득 타올라 자 걱정을 덜어내 지금을 살아가 어깨 펴고 날아올라 지금 이 순간 더 낮아 하늘 저 위로 나를 믿고 I fly 맘이 끄는 곳에 I fly 나를 던져 단 한 번뿐인 이 순간 내 마음을 열어 오늘은 날 날개를 펴 Now I fly to where my heart beats 하고 싶은 건 다 하는 거야 가장 살고 싶은
맞아?
살아 다신 없을 지금 이 순간을 기억해 더 낮아 하늘 저 위로 나를 믿고 I fly 맘이 끄는 곳에 I fly 나를 던져 단 한 번뿐인 이 순간 내 마음을 열어 오늘은 날 날개를 펴 Now I fly to where my heart fly away Let me fly away Let me fly away with you nobody else What do you say?
Yes.
What do you say?
Yes.
찬란히 빛날 거야 Fly away Let me fly away Let me
Oh, I love
fly
it.
away with you nobody else What do you say?
Let's go.
What do you say?
Now.
하나뿐인 너는 나에게
Oh my god, Love it. It's a great ending of the album. It's upbeat, it's hopeful, and it says, let's not worry about everything. Let's not worry about tomorrow. Let's just live for today. Love yourself, live for today, and I'll be there with you because we'll be flying together. Oh my God. The one and only me of today. Yes, today, embrace the moment. Every moment is precious. Embrace it and do not live in regret. If you made a mistake, learn from it, move on, and live for the moment. So, that was the album Echo. It was great. The album included different genres, and we can see different style of Jin singing, different color, and he can convey every different song perfectly. You know, the sad song, the upbeat song, the argue song. He is just amazing. And I hate to tell, and I'm sorry to report that I did not get the ticket to Jin's concert. I know there are resale tickets out there in Kpop or whatever, those kind of applications. And they yanked out the price like there's no tomorrow. So I saw some nosebleed for $500. Look, I paid $500 for the box, for the suite for J-Hope. So I'm not paying $500 for nosebleed, okay? You might say I'm not devoted enough. No, I want to spend my money wisely. I will use the money to buy his album instead of going to see him, unfortunately. So, but I do hope that Weverse or Hype will come up with maybe a movie or maybe a live stream on Weverse. That I'm willing to pay for that, okay? To watch the live stream and all that stuff, like like the live concert stream. I will definitely pay for that. But I'm just not going to pay $500-$600 for nosebleed and have to fly over there, stay, and take time from work. So if you think that I'm not devoted enough, I'm not devoted fan, I'm sorry, then I'm not. But I love them. I know I do, and I know I love Jin, and I know he's my ultimate bias. So that's that. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Before you log off, please watch, stream, do whatever you can to help June with his numbers. That's it. Goodbye. Bye.